Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to add someone on WhatsApp group. So all you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First thing first, before getting started, make sure to update your WhatsApp application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. So first thing what you have to do is you'll have to be the admin of the group, or you must have a permission in order to add other member on the WhatsApp group. So without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, open up your WhatsApp application. So after you open up your WhatsApp, then open up your group chat. So after you open up the chat page, next what you have to do is you'll have to tap on the profile icon, or you can either tap on the username or the group name. So after you tap on it, on the other page there are info. So all you have to do is scroll down. So as I've already mentioned before that you must either be the admin of the group, or you must either have a permission to add someone on the group. And in case if you don't have any of the access, then you'll not have the option as add participant. Since on this following group I myself is the admin, so I have this option called add participant. So all you have to do is just tap on add participant. Now you have a list of contacts that is on your WhatsApp. So all you can do is just scroll down and then look for the contact, or else what you can do is you can simply use the search tool just to find the participant or the username. As you can see that I've selected one of the contact, and in case if you want to add more people, then you can do it at the same time, and the limitation is 5 people. So after you're done selecting the contact, all you have to do is tap on the tick icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. You can see that this following contact has been added. So all of the members on this following group chat will be notified that somebody has added a new participant on the group. So that is how you can add someone to WhatsApp group. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.